Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 64 Favicon Update Data from Database in Laravel 12 tuition classes in Laravel 12 www.errorsolutioncode.com. This YouTube channel is for sale $11999 plus $9199 for 158815. Anytime contact for website related service, please try this number. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is already open. This my inside this directory htdoc directory, in this directory inside this project, and this is already run. Let's inside this is a localhost php myadmin already run. Let's inside this new menu with the implementation Favicon. Let's resource view layout, and this is a backend inside this is not available. Let's sidebar. This sidebar inside this new menu is a implementation. First of all, this copy and inside this paste here, same here, copy and paste and refresh this page, and this is available. This is available to SMTP, same SMTP available. Let's new inside this name is a sense. This is a name Favicon successfully Favicon, and refresh this page, and this is a working fine. This Favicon is a show. This is a good working. Let's check this. Okay, this is inside this Favicon. Save file, close this and refresh this page, and Favicon is available. This Favicon good working. Let's click this Favicon, and this is available. This is a Favicon, same name, copy, and this is available inside this copy and route inside web.php open, route web.php open. Inside this is a super admin. Inside this new route is a create route get paste here, and this is a Favicon controller, new create Favicon controller, and this paste here, successfully closed. Let's Favicon, this is a Favicon, same name is a paste here, save file. Let's copy this name, copy inside this is use app http controller and paste here, save file, successfully paste here, good working. This is a fine. Let's this is the same name, copy inside app http controller, and this is a new file is a create PSP, successfully created, good working. This is a created. Let's this is a new inside this same name, copy and paste here, and this is a copy and paste here, and this is a close this, save file. Let's this copy inside this paste here, save, and inside this is the same name is a copy and paste here, save file, successfully working. Let's echo and die. Let's save file. Let's refresh this page, 100% is a show, good working string. Let's return view super admin dot Favicon update this file. Let's save file. Let's super admin is available, super admin. Inside this new folder is a create, folder name is a this is a folder is a create, successfully folder is a create. Inside this is a new file is a create update blade php, successfully create, and hello, save file and refresh this page, and working hello, good. Same name is smtp control a, copy this name, copy file, and this is a remove and paste here. Inside this extra is all remove, only first is a app name is a as it is, and this working fine. This Favicon successfully Favicon, and this is a Favicon image, imc, save file, and this is a file. This value is a remove, name is a remove, and this is a Favicon Favicon set, and this placeholder is not used. and save file. This is a required, is a compulsory, is a required, but not use this remove. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a, as it is a working fine. This is a good working. Favicon is a working fine. Please step by step write down, and this is a include underscore success message. So this success message file inside this success is available, this success, and this message file is inside this include. But step by step and all discussion, this is the implementation. Let's same name copy, and this is a method is available, post method. Let's open this web.php and same name copy and paste here update, and this is a post name post. This is my spelling mistake. Update successfully spelling is a good update. Let's same name copy inside this new function is a create public function, paste here request $request and dd $request all. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is the implemented submit, and this is available. Favicon is a null. Next is a image is a select. Let's image, this is the image select and submit, and working fine. This is the image is available, good working. This is the image name, same name copy and paste here Favicon, all good. Let's inside this, first of all, this is a new table is a create, otherwise only same table is available. This table inside this is a include, otherwise new table is a create. Let's table is a create Favicon table. Let's Favicon, click this is a new Favicon ID, Favicon name, the same name is available. This is the name, Favicon name, created and updated. Date and time. Null. Primary key and auto increment, and save file. Successfully file is a save and good working. This is the Favicon is a successfully set. Let's same name is a new model is a create, model name is a Favicon copy, and new model is a create model. Inside this new model Favicon model.php, and this is a app and create, successfully create. Let's same name copy and inside this paste here, and this is a close this, and this rename and copy this name inside this paste here and Favicon. Same table name, this is a table name is a Favicon table is a good working. Let's copy inside this use app model and paste here. Favicon model. Save file. Successfully Favicon model is a implementation. This fine. Let's successfully same, and inside this is a remove and paste here first. Otherwise find one ID, only. This is a update. Save file. Successfully update, and this is a new update is set. This is a good working. This first one is a update only, and but this first of all this is a insert. This one record is a create insert, and this is a one, and this is a one d jpg, and this is the date. Inside this date is a select and go button, click this, successfully working fine. This is a one ID is a only updated. This is a successfully this one ID is a updated, and this is a inside. Let's same name inside this step by step implementation. This is a code is a update. this is a, and this is a favicon is a logo is a remove, and this set all. And the same name copy, and inside this is a upload folder is not available, so let's new folder is a create, otherwise public inside this favicon is a uploaded. Let's new upload remove, and this is a public and set copy, same name copy, upload remove, and this is a favicon image. New folder is a create successfully, folder is a create favicon number, and this is the same is the database name. Let's inside this is a save, and this is a favicon save, successfully save. Let's step by step successfully all working. This is a good working. Let's refresh this page. Inside this back button, click this, and this is a asset public inside this is a favicon, this image open, and this is a inside this all included. This is a good working inside this not image. Let's open this is the image, and this is a update, and successfully updates favicon successfully saved. Let's refresh this page. Inside this image, why not available, so this database check, this is database, inside this is a not a save, but inside this not save, why not save? Okay, this is my standing user use paste save file, use str request favicon number I, and this is a open, this is a list file is open, this update file. Inside this is a image is a set, image encrypt type is a set, encrypt insert type, this image uploaded type is a set, save file. Let's refresh this page, working fine. Let's refresh this page, and let's submit and successfully saved. Record is a save, and refresh this page, 100% is a save. Good working. Inside this image is a available, this is the image is a available. Good working database update. Let's next is again update, this is update and successfully update, and this is all remove is a image is a remove, and this is the next image is a save as it is a update. This is a next image. Inside this is a remove, this is the image is a remove. Let's refresh this again page, and this different image update successfully update, and this again check, this is a different image is available. All good. This is a successfully one record is updated. Good working. But inside this is a all record is a show. So first of all, this is a inside this is a all open, the same name copy, and inside this is paste here, and this is a $data get record is equal to, this is a $data same name. Let's copy this name. Inside this is image, image URL public favicon. This is the favicon is a set favicon. $get record, and this is a remove, and this is a favicon as it is a show. Good working. This is a fine. Let's refresh this page, 100% is a show. Good working. Let's height width is a set, height width 100px, and this is 100px. Save file and refresh this page. This is a good working. Let's again this upload, this is upload, and this update successfully updated. Good working. Let's second is a, this is update, and this 100% is update. Good working. This is a record is updated. Good working. Let's as it is update, so as it is a update. Good working. This message is a show. This is just all good. This is a active menu is a favicon is a all good. This is a working. Please step by step write down this. First of all, this is the implementation, but icon is a FF image FAFA image. So picture AIO FAFA image. So let's choose image. Image is available image. Let's refresh this page. Successfully FAFA image, but inside this is available image icon is available. All good. This working fine. This is a message just show. All first of all, this is I implement. Second is this is a 2 implementation. Inside this is the implementation controller. Please step by step write down controller. Inside this new folder is a create folder. Inside this image available. This the model is available. This is a step by step write down this file. All good. This is a video is done. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution code, and this is my YouTube channel. Inside this my number is available. Inside this is this my number here is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.